I am First Lieutenant Daniel B. Hizon, a proud young artillery officer and a proud graduate of PMA Bagsik Diwa class of 2022. Currently, ako yung Battery Executive Officer and Platoon Leader dito sa 6th Field Artillery Battalion, Artillery Regiment, Philippine Army. And during my stint as a platoon leader, I'm proudly to say na nagkaroon ako ng fire missions, ng 5 fire missions, at isa dun sa mga fire missions ko ay nung nasa Pagalungan kami is natulungan namin mabigyan ng fire support yung mga rangers na at that time is naiipit sa kalaban nila. So despite nung sense of urgency and yung bigat ng responsibility na dala-dala ko is nagawa namin as artillery men and women na masuportahan yung rangers. So ngayon, as a platoon leader is paikot-ikot pa din ako dito sa area ng 6th Infantry Division. Nagkaroon na din ako ng fire mission sa Datopiang and continuously na ginagawa ko ang aking role as a fire support dito sa mga infantry battalions na nasa SPMS box. So despite lahat ng mga lamok at mga hirap na mga challenges na kinakaharap ko sa mga different fire bases na tinutulugan at tinutuloyan ko is proud na proud akong mag-serve sa Philippine Army, and I'm proudly encouraging you guys to join the Philippine Army and eventually become an artillery officer.
Thank you, Daniel.
Thank you, sir.